Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. So lucky today to have the first period.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning,
Good.
everybody. Will we start? Had everybody joined? Okay. India Panda, section C, I'll start with
Yes, ma'am.
Anindya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Anindya is, where are you, Anindya? I want to see you. Anindya, are you there? No. Aparna. Aparna. Haripriya.
Good morning, ma'am.
This is Haripriya.
I'm absent.
All three are absent so far now. Lagnajita. Manisha.
Present, ma'am.
Nivedita.
Present, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Nivedita. Pratyusha.
Present,
Pratyusha,
ma'am.
are you there?
Bachuri.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I see you on your video,
Sure,
Pratyusha? Aparna Purohit, to which section do you belong to? Which section?
I'm C.
Aparna, okay, roll number 2. Okay. Lagnajita late today. Anyhow. Priyanka Sahu.
Present, ma'am.
Priyanka, can I see you
Yes, ma'am.
on your video?
Present, ma'am.
Yes, I could see you. Yes. Rima. Rima. Saloni.
Present, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
This is Saloni.
No, sir, I'm present. Ma'am, sorry.
Where is Saloni? Okay, Saloni not there. Shraddhanjali,
Ma'am, there.
where are you? Saloni. Okay. No school uniform with you? Saloni, no school uniform? Sports uniform you are wearing?
I'm sorry.
Be careful, each and every day I'm giving you instruction. Shraddhanjali. Shraddhanjali, are you there? No? Sneha? No.
Present, ma'am.
Brother?
I'm Sneha, present.
Shubhra Swata? This is Sneha.
Present, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
कॉपी दी जा रखी जाओ ना
Mute your mic, Chalan. Whenever you have to speak to me, you on it again. Unmute to speak, mute after that. Shubhra Sweta, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Ravi? Surabhi? Susri? Susri? Tamanna? Vijeta? Yes, Vijeta, I can see you.
Present, ma'am.
Abhash?
Present.
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Adhikari? Aditya? Aditya Om Pradhan? Children, maximum of you are with the sports uniform. Why it is so? Every day to be worn. Aditya Pradhan, no. Anshul Mante,
Present, ma'am.
Anshuman Pradhan,
Present, ma'am.
I can't see your face. Asutosh Aryaman, doing mischief yesterday.
Present, ma'am.
Asutosh Dupal,
Present, ma'am. Present.
Atman Chintak,
Present, ma'am.
Ayush Case, Ayush,
Present, ma'am.
Ayush, can I see you
Present, ma'am.
on your video?
Ma'am, present.
Yes, I heard you. Ayush, okay, I could see you.
Ma'am, mic.
Bhupesh, yes, I could see you. Bhupesh,
Present, ma'am.
Vishwaranjan, Vishwaranjan. Children, whenever in between the class I'll call, anyone should be ready to say yes, ma'am. Yesterday, at the time of starting, whatever number I could see, at the end, the same number was not there. Of course, not for your set, it was for the other set. Anyhow, Vishwaranjan absent. Hare Krishna Barik. Harshit Singh there. Harshit, are you there? No. Jaydev,
Present, ma'am.
on your video, Jaydev, not your DP, on your video. Jaydev,
Yes, ma'am, on.
okay. Mukesh, no. Nirmal Tanti, Piyush Parda,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Pratyush Sahu, Pratyush, your name I was able to see earlier. Where are you? Pratyush,
Ma'am, present, ma'am.
where is your face? I can't see you. Okay, Roshan Naik,
Present, ma'am.
Satyam Naik,
Present, ma'am.
Shumit Behra, Shumit, Suplas, are you there?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Vinay Bag, Priyadarshini Dal, she was absent from the very first day. Today is the 4th live class, but I couldn't see her. Sambhavi, section F.
Present,
Sambhavi,
ma'am.
okay. Shuruchi,
Present, ma'am.
Jigyasa,
Present, ma'am.
S. Haripriya,
Present, ma'am.
Anubhav,
Present, ma'am.
Abhishek,
Present, ma'am.
Atirup, are you there?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Atirup, this is Anshuman Sahu, Nirmal Tantik joined now. Okay. Anshuman Sahu, Romeo Ranjan,
Present, ma'am.
Romeo, okay. Ronak Jajaria,
Present, ma'am.
Rupam Bhuiya,
Present, ma'am.
Jagjit Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Jagjit, this is the first class you are attending?
No, ma'am.
All the 3 days are marked absent. On your video, let me see your face.
Ma'am, there is some glitch in my tab, ma'am. That ma'am, it's in ma'am ये मेरा tab, मैम मेरा वीडियो ऑन है पर मैम ये काम नहीं करता, मैम थोड़ा देर बाद ठीक होता है.
Okay. Bina back, join now.
मैम मैं 3 क्लास पूरा अटेंड किया मैम.
All the days you were present.
यस मैम. मैम मेरा बीच में मैम वॉइस
Absent. You did not respond when I called. Anyhow, Varun,
Present, ma'am.
Jaydev, Jaydev, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You are present for the first time today?
No, ma'am.
Which other days you are present? I have marked you absent.
Ma'am, from starting.
But it is not matching to my number of attendance. Huh? Now 43 participants are showing to me, but some are not there giving me attendance. Anyhow, it's up to you. Okay, let's go to our studies now. Exercise 8.1. Open your book. Yesterday you said you will try with 7 and some extra questions. Have you done it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? 1 to 7?
No, ma'am.
We will move to 8 onwards.
Yeah, ma'am.
Only very few are answering. What about others? Not answered or have doubt remaining quiet? I don't understand.
Ma'am, someone new has joined.
Now, one question I would like to ask you. The first video, before we have started this live class, I have sent it in our DPSR site. Okay? Did you go through the introduction? Yes or no? Aditya Adhikari, join now. Now tell me, Chalan, did you go through the introduction part? Why I am asking you, I have shown you 2 types of quadrilaterals. One is concave quadrilateral, one is convex quadrilateral, right? Can you tell me the difference between the two? Anshuman Sahu to join now. No answer from anybody?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, anyone of you?
Ma'am, convex
Ma'am.
quadrilateral means if a quadrilateral is called if the line segment is joining any 2 vertices of the quadrilateral.
No, again.
Ma'am, a convex quadrilateral means if the line segment is joining any 2 vertices of the quadrilateral.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes,
Can
this
you
is
answer?
wrong definition. Yes, somebody else?
Ma'am, a convex quadrilateral has all of its angles less than 180 degrees.
Very
And
good. Who is this
a
answering?
convex, ma'am, Anubhav,
Okay,
Anubhav
tell me.
Malik.
Okay, tell me.
And ma'am, a concave quadrilateral is a quadrilateral in which one of the angles is above 180 degrees.
Fine, Chalan. Let me draw it. Then you will tell me. Now, both am I clear to you, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Okay. Both have got 4 vertices. But in the properties of the quadrilaterals, we decide they are different. Like here, I have to take 4 vertices. Look now. I'm taking here 4 vertices. 4 vertices means 4 points are taken here. Let me join here. Now this is a quadrilateral. Do you agree to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
quadrilateral, I'm taking 4 vertices and joining. This is also quadrilateral.
Yes, ma'am.
As Anubhav said,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
agree 100% to you. And this is your convex, this is your concave. Now in convex, each angle 1, 2, 3, 4, all are less than 180 degree. Whereas in this concave, we have got one angle to be more than 180. Now just let me make it a straight line. This is your 180. As we have got this much more, this is more than 180. If I extend this line, this is more than 180. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now the
Yes, ma'am.
difference in their properties, who will tell me? Fast. So that
Ma'am,
we
in convex,
yes.
ma'am, in convex quadrilateral, both the diagonals lie inside the quadrilateral, but in concave quadrilateral, at
1 minute, let me
one
this
diagonal
is
lie out.
convex. I'm joining the opposite vertices to get the diagonals. Now if I name it A, B, C, D, this is your convex quadrilateral. If we draw the diagonals, both the diagonals remain inside the quadrilateral. Yes, come to convex now. Name it P, Q, R, S. Tell me now. First point you said about angles. I agree. Second point you are explaining about the diagonal. Now tell me what is the difference. First point is right. Second point. Oh my God.
Ma'am, PR lies outside.
Yes.
Ma'am, PR lies outside.
Okay. If I let me draw it on the line. This is your one point. Diagonal PR lies outside, whereas QS inside. This is for concave. And both AC and BD lies inside. Then you said one angle is more than 180 degree. Here all are less than 180 degree.
All are less than 1.
Who was saying present joined just now? Let me mark it. Who joined just now?
Ma'am, I Jaideep Singh.
Jaideep Singh. Okay. What happened? You are late today? Or net problem? You should be ready before time.
Getting the notification. ID I am not get. Ma'am, ID I am not get. Password ID.
I'll send it to you. Anyhow.
Ma'am, but I have joined 9F.
No.
Ma'am, I am not in the 9th F mathematics group.
Could not hear you. Problem from your side. Okay. Now the rest of the up to 7 we finished yesterday. I had given you. You said no doubt on that. Now coming to 8 to 12, there are a little big questions, and this 5 to be finished today. If you have any doubt, you will tell me. Let me read out one by one. Number 8, ABCD is a rectangle in which diagonal AC bisects angle A as well as angle C. show that, that means this is given to you. Show that there are two bits to be proved on this basis. ABCD is a square. Second bit, diagonal BD bisects angle B as well as D. Can you do it or I will do it?
Yes, ma'am.
You can do it. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Go to number 9. In parallelogram ABCD. Are you all with the book, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Go through it. 2 points P and Q are taken on diagonal BD such that DP equals to BQ. Now you have to prove on this much data 5 bits. First one, triangle APD equals congruent to triangle CQB. Can you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Will I move to the second bit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
AP equals to
Yes,
CQ.
ma'am.
But here in some of the questions, children, you have to use some postulates from Euclid's geometry. I hope you understand where to use.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Doubt you do ask me.
Yes, ma'am.
Now go to bit 3. Triangle AQB is congruent to triangle CPD.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now just one question. You tell me with which criteria we will prove them to be congruent.
Ma'am, by SS congruency.
Which one?
By SS.
S?
SES. SAS.
SAS. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Who said it? Lagnajita?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, fine. Did you all, rest of you follow this?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now coming to the fourth point. AQ equal to CP.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
AQ equal to CP. After proving congruency, this part became
Yes, ma'am.
easy for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to prove it.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
APCQ is a parallelogram. Will I draw
Yes,
it
ma'am.
or you are able to follow? You all are with the book.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now going to number 10. ABCD is a parallelogram. AP and CQ. They are the perpendiculars from the different vertices A and C, which are falling on the diagonal BD. From the figure, it is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is your part to prove? Triangle APB, the big one, is congruent with triangle CQD. Now, tell me, what will you take? Which criteria here?
Ma'am, angle,
Ma'am,
side.
RHS.
Ma'am, angle, side, angle. Ma'am,
RHS.
It's given to you.
Ma'am, ASA.
AP, CQ are perpendiculars. AC diagonal of and even already it's given to you parallelogram, so your work becomes easy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, only very few are alert. What about others? Could you follow or I'll explain it to you? Answer me. Unmute and
Yes, ma'am.
answer.
We could follow.
Ma'am, we can follow.
Ma'am, we
I'm
can follow.
telling you, while solving, if you cannot complete at home, after this class gets over today after 2 p.m., you can ask me tomorrow or WhatsApp me. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is
Yes,
a
ma'am.
question. When I'm asking you all, keep on saying yes, yes. While taking the copy, I find some of you are not able, some you are missing out. Now, number 11. Will we move forward?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Number 11.
Yes, ma'am.
just have in this figure, there is idea about 3D object is given to you. A prism. Can you
Yeah,
guess
ma'am.
it?
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I will show you.
No, ma'am.
See the prism in the figure.
Yes, ma'am. It is the prism. Yes, ma'am.
If it is a prism, just have a look here. This is a triangle. Now, if I take parallel lines to each, now this is a parallelogram. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
This
Yes,
is,
ma'am.
as
Yes,
I
ma'am.
told you, this is your 3D object. Now this is dotted line I am giving. This is your joint, the other side. And then if you join this triangle and this triangle are two faces, side by side. This point is inside. Agree?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
I will go to the question. In triangle ABC and DEF, should I name it or you will refer to the book?
Ma'am, we will refer to the book.
Ma'am, refer to the book.
Yes, ma'am.
Wherever you find small to small difficulty, do share with me so that I will able to clear it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In triangle ABC and DEF, AB equals to DE, AB parallel to DE, BC equal to EF, and BC also parallel to EF. As I told you, if you consider a prism, except the two triangles on the opposite faces, rest three are parallelograms.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We know this, but even though we know, with the given data only we have to prove whatever to be proven. Agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now bit 1. Quadrilateral ABED is the parallelogram. ABED, the back side one.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
What all
Yes,
you have to
ma'am.
prove? Opposite sides are parallel,
Opposite sides are parallel
or you have to
and
prove
equal.
opposite angles are equal.
Yeah,
Right?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Quadrilateral BEFC. BEFC. This is yet another. As I told you, three faces are parallelograms. That is what it is asking you to prove, because only one face given here to be parallel. Parallel and equal given means what? One face is given to be parallel.
Yes, ma'am.
In a prism,
Yes, ma'am.
if one
Yes, ma'am.
face is parallelogram, the other two are also parallelogram, as I discussed with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Now AD parallel
Yes,
to
ma'am.
EF. Can you prove?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Quadrilateral ACFD. ACFD is a parallelogram. The same thing again, it is repeated. Three parallelograms on the three sides.
Yes, ma'am.
Could you
Yes, ma'am.
understand it, or I will bring
Yes, ma'am.
the object and show you? You could follow, you said. Okay. Now AC equal to DF. Congruency you have to
Yes,
prove.
Yes, ma'am. Bicyclicity.
Bicyclicity only. Triangle AB.
Ma'am,
Tell me.
ma'am, otherwise when we are proving that quadrilateral ACFD is a parallelogram, we could just take it as given above because we can prove it.
No. The above, after
We have
proving the
above
above
in
five
the
parts, you got all the
Yes.
sides of the triangle to congruent
Yeah,
with
ma'am.
the other three sides. After proving the above parts
Bicyclicity.
only. That is what I said by CPCT.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Could you follow?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
am telling
Yeah,
you.
ma'am.
Ma'am.
Do it and just inform me if it is a doubt for you. Now the last question, if you want, I'll give you some more. ABCD is a trapezium. Now, children, here I will like to ask you some questions. Do listen carefully and answer me. Parallelogram is a trapezium. Am I right or wrong?
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
True.
ma'am.
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Rectangle also a trapezium.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
If I change it, means vice versa. Rectangle, each rectangle is a trapezium as well as trapezium. Each trapezium is a rectangle. Am I right or wrong?
No, ma'am. It's
No,
false.
ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Right.
That means you have understood it. As I have told you,
Yes.
just a closed figure joining to the four vertices is a quadrilateral. Then joining one feature, we get one figure. Again joining one more feature, another figure. Specific quadrilaterals with the specific names we keep getting, right? And we end it with square and kite. Square, rhombus and kite. Okay, now tell me, can I call a kite to be a trapezium?
Yes, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Nandita?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
No, 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 it is not possible. Understood me? A kite
Yes, ma'am.
cannot be. Why?
Yes, ma'am.
One pair of opposite sides are parallel,
Are parallel.
but in a kite, opposite any one pair of opposite sides parallel? No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, two adjacent sides are equal.
Now, if I take any base, I have taken a base here. Okay. On this base, on both the sides, I will draw two different, maybe same also. What? Isosceles triangle. Here, I will
Yes, ma'am.
one isosceles triangle. Here, I will draw another isosceles triangle. That means this equal to this. This is equal to this. This is your kite. Agree?
Yes, ma'am.
So can I
Yes,
call
ma'am. Yeah.
trapezium? No. Why no?
No, ma'am.
Because this
Ma'am,
line
because two
either this pair or this
is
pair.
not parallel to each other.
Not necessarily parallel.
Mm.
Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the opposite is not true always. Maybe at times. Is that clear? This may be
Yes, ma'am.
true as one mark question in true or false. Or the specifications means the distances of each side would be given and then would be asking on it because it is all your aptitude test. You have to keep reasoning. How and why this will be this figure, why this is not this figure. If you face difficulty in deciding, be free. Again, I am telling you, be free to ask me. This is very, very, very important. Otherwise, when you are
Yes,
going
ma'am.
to find out the surface areas, total surface areas, if your concept is not clear, each chapter is correlated with the other. You cannot find it out. So this is very, very important to know. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
From this trapezium word, I just spoke to you this much. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD and AD equals to BC. What type of particular trapezium it is?
Isosceles trapezium.
Very good. Who said it? Bhupesh?
Ma'am, answer, ma'am.
Answer.
No, answer, ma'am.
Fine. Now, if I say in isosceles trapezium, we have got one line of symmetry, but in any trapezium, we do not have. Is that clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no,
In
ma'am.
Yes,
isosceles
ma'am.
trapezium, you have got some specific characteristics like For each trapezium, look, if this is your isosceles trapezium, that means this side is equal to this side. Obvious one pair is parallel to each other. Yes? In isosceles trapezium, we find this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this angle. This is a specific characteristic. These two sides, non-parallel sides, are equal, and if they are behaving as the, what it is? Who will tell me if these are two parallel lines? What?
Transversal.
Very good. The specific names are very, very important. That should be always there in your mind. Why am I asking you? If two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, the one side angles are supplementary. So these two angles are supplementary.
Yes, ma'am.
And if this is equal to this one equal to this one equal to this side is also transversal, so they are also supplementary. Yes. Now coming to the question. Angle A equal to angle B, angle C. Can you prove? Tell me. If not, I will prove for you. Time getting up. Tell me. Then triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD. You have to draw the diagonal, and then after generating the triangle, you have to prove it. Diagonal AC equal to diagonal BD. And the hint given, extend AB and draw a line through C parallel to DA intersecting AB produced at E. Now this is a common doubt every time whenever I ask. Some children able to do, some cannot. Don't feel that if I ask ma'am, I have not done, I could not do. There is nothing harm in that if you cannot do. I am there to help you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So will we wind up now?
Yeah, ma'am.
Or
Yes,
anything
ma'am.
you want to talk to me? I wanted actually some questions to give you.
Yeah, ma'am.
But today not possible.
Yes, ma'am.
You finish it. Tomorrow I will give you some extra questions, and then we will again go to prove some extra theorems basing on the quadrilateral.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Whatever days that gone, I don't know how did you pass it. If you have completed the previous chapters up to 7, it's fine. Otherwise, on those previous chapters also, I will like to give you some interesting questions if you want.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is our part now?
Yes, ma'am.
We will complete the planned portion, and then we will go to extra questions. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Again, tomorrow let us see what timetable we'll be getting. Again, have one more class tomorrow. So how did you like the class, children?
Nice. Ma'am, it was very
I'm
good.
nice. Okay.
Just we can see each other. We are completely unknown to each other. By these classes, we are becoming familiar day by day.
Yeah, ma'am.
Now, any doubt, if you cannot ask, don't feel bad. Do ask me in the WhatsApp group. I'm ever ready to answer any question you have. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Bye,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Then I'll be meeting you tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.